everyone, welcome to our book today, and the name of the book that we are going to begin with is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, and that is chapter number 2, Ecology Talkies. In this chapter, we will talk about certain ecological facts, and let's begin with it. The chapter says, indicate whether the following statements are true or false. So we have to mention whether the facts given over here about the ecology is true or false. So let's begin with it. The first statement says that the smoke from the cars and the buses, that does not cause air pollution. Is it true or false? Of course they cause pollution. Hence this situation or this statement is false. The next is crop sprays, mining and volcanic eruptions, they can cause air pollution, and the statement is true. Next, all air pollutants are beneficial gases, false. They are not beneficial gases at all. The next is most fuels are chemicals called hydrocarbons, true. The answer is correct. Unburnt hydrocarbons, they react with strong sunlight to form ozone and create smog. Yes, this is true. The next, air pollution is the major cause of global warming, and the answer is correct. Air pollution is a major cause of global warming. True. Then seventh is air pollution, it does not affect the ozone layer, and the answer is false. It does affect the ozone layer. Then next we have, that is the eighth one, air pollution causes lung diseases, and the answer is true. Yes, air pollution causes various lung diseases, various bodily diseases. So this was all about the questions which were indicating whether the statements are true or false. Let's now move further. Here below they have given question for you children as your answer, please. The writer wants your answer for this question. Name a disease which is caused by air pollution. You have to write the answer over here on your own in your book. Next we have the quick fact. And the quick fact says that Bengxi, a city in China, it is hidden from satellites due to factory smoke. So do you understand how much air pollution there must have been in that city? The Bengxi city of China, it is hidden from the satellites just because of the smoke from the factories. So we don't want such kind of pollution in our country. We should do something in order to prevent our country from being polluted, from preventing the children or preventing the people from various kinds of diseases caused by air pollution. This was all about the chapter. I hope you must have gathered a vast knowledge about pollution and its pollutants. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.